When the end of a roll is reached, the first step is to lock down the material on both sides at the splicing table. Set the web guide to offline, pressing the 2 arrows button. Turn the handles clockwise. With a sharp blade, cut the stock, using one of the slots in the splicing table. If laminate was being applied, turn off the laminate tension sensor and cut the laminate. At the printer, use the cutter to cut the stock. If a print job has been paused, the job will first need to be canceled. Before cutting, it is important to hold the dancer arm rollers in place. Once those are held, a cut can be made at the printer. Slowly lower the dancer arms. Move the pinch roller to the open position. Unlock the stock on the printer side at the splicing table. Remove the stock. Install the label roll onto the mandrel. Push it in until it stops and tighten the mandrel. Make sure the roll will unwind clockwise. Feed the material under the 2 bottom bars and to the outside of the 2 side bars. If necessary, cut the end of the stock to create a clean edge. Place the material into the printer, making sure the stock is resting against the fixed guides. Lower the roller assembly and lock it in place. Once the material is loaded, send the print job to the printer. Feed the material as before, referring to the unwinder paper path diagram, if needed. Once there is enough material to reach the splicing table, pause the printer. Complete the remaining loading steps. Once the material is at the splicing table, align the 2 edges. If one of the edges is not straight, overlap the material, lock down the printer side, and make a cut for a clean edge. Lock down the material on the printer side, turning the handle clockwise. Once there are 2 clean ends, tape the 2 together. Tape the bottom first, then the top. Do not wrap tape around the edges. Loosen the locking handles. Move the pinch roller to the closed position. Check the value on the web guide. Move the material, if necessary, to get a value very close to 0. Set the web guide online by pressing the top circle button.